Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and today I came up with a product review video. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. And if you are new here, hi, I'm Dimple. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So now let's start with the video. So today I'm gonna review this product. This is a Advanced Nail Mucin 96% from the brand Cosrx, and this product is actually very hyped, so I wanted to try it. And since I was suffering from dengue and all those stuff, I got really bad skin, you know, back then. I mean 2 months before. And I'm using this product since 2 months in the morning and the evening, both of my skincare routine. So you can see I have used quite a lot. Before we begin with the video, let me introduce my skin type first. So I have really dry skin, which is very sensitive, and it is prone to acne. So basically I have a dry, acne prone, sensitive skin, highly sensitive skin. So that is my skin type. And since I fell ill, I was suffering from really bad skin. I got really small tiny bumps on my skin, on my cheeks and on my jawline as well. So I really needed something which, you know, calms down my skin and repairs my skin. So I thought, let's give this a shot, because this product was really hyped, and it is known for, you know, its healing properties. And I got mine from the site Macroon, and I got it on 20% off. I mean, they always, you know, run great discounts on all of their products, and you can get any Korean brand on that website. I mean, they have Purito, Cosrx, and so many Korean brands, The Face Shop, I mean Innisfree, so many. And they have Indian brands too, like Be Minimalist and all those stuff. So I buy all my skincare from Macroon, because obviously if you are getting a discount and you know, on a cheaper price, so why not? And I know this is, you know, little bit on a pricier side, but considering the fact that the product is quite a lot, I mean, for the price they provide 100 ml of product, 3.38 fluid ounce. So there is quite a lot of product which is going to last me for going to last me for 6 months minimum. And I don't use it, you know, only in skincare. So I use it for multiple purposes, because this product contains 96% of snail secretion filtrate, which is a slime produced by snail while moving, and they collect this slimy like a texture, and after going through the filtration and everything, they have, you know, made this beautiful ingredient, beautiful essence, which is really helpful for, you know, healing and repairing the skin. And here you can see the texture of this product. So it is very slimy and very gooey like, as you can see in the clip, it looks like you are applying slime on your face, and it is really hydrating and moisturizing, and you will feel instant plumpness in your skin. So I use it in my morning and evening, both of my skincare routine. And another way I like to use it is post shaving. So no, I don't get beards or mustache, so don't get me wrong. I do shave my face. For that I use an eyebrow razor. I will put a picture here. So you know, for getting rid of facial hairs, I do use it, and I shape my eyebrows at home. I don't visit parlors for my eyebrows or upper lips. So previously when I used to shave my face and or doing my eyebrows, I tend to get this tiny bumps or pimples, you can call it, small pimples on all over my face, and texture and skin irritation. So that is, you know, kept happening with me whenever I used to shave my face. So I started using this after, you know, doing removing my facial hair, and it really calms down my skin so nicely. It really heals and repairs my skin. So for the sensitive skin, this is really a blessing. And talking about the ingredient, it is free from any harsh chemicals or paraffin, all those things. So this is really safe to use for highly sensitive skin and acne prone skin. Yes, because it heals. because of its healing property. It repairs and heals the skin. So if you have acne prone skin, this is really good for you. It doesn't, have a side effect. So this product really helps, with calming down your skin and repairing your skin, and it does hydrates and moisturize the skin really very well. You will feel instantly, as soon as I apply this on my skin, I instantly feel, plumpiness and hydration, lots of hydration on my skin, and my skin really looks very glowy, very bouncy. So yeah, and it really repaired my skin. So I can tell that because my bumpiness on my skin is almost gone. I mean 90% it has recovered from those reactions due to medication and fever. It doesn't react with any of my moisturizer or toner or serums, so I do use it combined with retinol, which is a very powerful antioxidant and strong, of course. So I use retinol twice a week only, and I do combine it with this, and it doesn't react. And right now I don't have any base makeup on my skin, as you can see. No base makeup on my skin. Okay, so I just have little bit of lip color and a little bit of cheek tint on my cheeks. So because I like little bit of color on my face whether I'm wearing makeup or not, and somehow I felt that it reduced the appearance of pores on my skin also. I know it doesn't claim, but I really noticed my pores are looking really smaller and reduced. So maybe because of this product, because this is the only product which I have included in my skincare, and I'm not using my other actives. I'm just using retinol twice a week. I'm only using this product, so I feel that this product really helped me with my skin texture, my enlarged pores, and swelling on my skin. Yeah, I had swelling on my skin and red patches, of course. So this is kind of a healing thing. So it is a really soothing and calming product, which as soon as you apply on your skin, it calms down, and it is like a therapy. So I do recommend this product to each and every one of you who wants to try it. Definitely give it a shot. This is a beautiful product, and of course you can check out Macroon's site because they do run such a great discounts. I mean, I hope you can see. I will include the clip here. So this was my take on this product, and all the opinions and experience which I have shared with you all are 100% honest and my own, and this video is not sponsored by any brand or any website. I just shared everything which I have done for my skin with you all. So please, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I will see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.